Easy ways to make money online by sharing other people's blog and videos. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Donald, and here on my channel I teach you how to make money online, how to grow your business online, side hustle ideas, and how to build a website even if you are a non-techie person. Okay guys, in this video I will be teaching you how to make money online just by sharing other people's blogs and videos. Guys, I am so happy to share this method with you because it works worldwide. Okay, in this method, in this video we are going to be using affiliate marketing. All right, but you can get more creative with this method. The first thing you need to do is to find an affiliate network to join. Okay guys, there are tons of affiliate network out there, but one of the ones that I love is Digistore24 because it accepts users worldwide. Okay, so we are going to be marketing Keto Meal Plan, this first product right here. Okay, and each customer we refer to this product, we earn 26.30 US dollars. All right, so another thing we need to do is to sign up to this website called myclio.link. Okay, it is free to use this website, but they also have premium plans. All right, so guys, I've already signed up and I am using one of their premium plans. Okay, so I'm going to go to my dashboard. So on the left here there are lots of tools, but the ones that we are going to use is called Custom Splash. All right, so we are going to click on create a custom splash. All right, so here we are. So we are going to name this Keto Meal Plan. Guys, stick around, follow me so that you know exactly how I did it. Okay, so come back to Digistore, grab your affiliate link. Okay, paste it here. You can shorten it if you want, and by the way, you can also shorten it with this tool. Okay, to shorten it I will show you guys in a jiffy. All right, so enter the counter number. I will say 20 so that it will count for a longer time. Okay, here we can say something like I copy this, can just do something like this. Okay, then you upload the banner. By the way, this banner I downloaded from Pesos. Okay, I downloaded it from this site. All right, I just entered keto diet, then I selected the one that I like. Then you upload the avatar. So here, when you open, this is the product that we are marketing. Okay, you can just say here just say loading. No, just do it like this, loading. Meanwhile, guys, pay attention carefully. This has never been shared online before, this information that I'm bringing to you right now. Meanwhile, starts. I'm trying to replicate these words here. Your free test week. Okay, that's it. Off. Can just get creative with it also. Of your ultimate keto meal plan today. Okay, so guys, that is just it. We can hit create. You can review it. This is how it will look like. All right, so come back to your dashboard, then open Google, look for keto meal plan. Okay, select any of this. Which one do I use? What can I use now? Okay, let me use this one. Okay, you can open it. Okay, this is the blog that we want to share. Okay, copy the link, of the blog, come back to my Clio.link dashboard. You paste the blog link here, click on these three dots, select here, then select our keto meal plan. Okay, and then shorten. Now we have our link to share. Let me show you the magic. We are sharing that blog, but look at this. I'm pasting. You see, it says, it's counting here. It says get your ultimate keto meal plan today. Loading. Meanwhile, start your free test week of your ultimate keto meal plan today. View website. If they click here, it doesn't still take them out from the information or the blog that you are sharing, but if they click, it brings them to our affiliate products. Do you guys get the idea? And they can still come back here to read the news that you are sharing or the information or the blog that you are sharing. Okay, you can also do this with the video. You can search keto meal plan here as well. For weight loss or however you want to do it. Let me assume this is the video that you want to share. Come back to your come back to your myclio.link. Okay, head over to custom splash. By the way, if you want to use this tool, I think you need to subscribe to one of their premium plans. You can click here to edit. You can replace. No, sorry guys. You can paste the link of the video here. You can click here. select the keto meal plan and shorten. There is your link to share, and when you share it, when someone visits it or click on it, this is what happens. You can edit this number. Okay, you can write whatever you want here. Okay, so watch what happens here. The person will read here, and the person will click to view site, and you will make a sale. All right, so you see what happens. This is the video that we just shared. You can get creative with this. You can share any information and get creative with this. You can do this with any niche. All right, there you go. This is our video. Okay, you see how we are making money from other people's videos and blogs. Okay, so now let's copy our link and paste it. Close. In case if you want to edit the seconds, you can change it here. You can make it to be 50 or 30. You can say update. You can rewrite if you want. You can say update, and when someone visits, you see, it starts from 50. It's up to you. Okay, you can get creative with this write-ups right here, and of course your photos. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to share this video or to share our blog. Okay, so we come to Facebook. We now look for keto meal plan in groups, then we join groups. Okay, so I will use join as much as you can. I'll use the first one that I've joined. You create a post. Okay, you can simply paste your, if you want, it's up to you. You can get creative with it, but you can't just paste your link. Of course, you can get creative with it. For example, you can say, you see guys, the good thing about this is that it shows the preview of the information that we are sharing. Okay, so that the person will see that we are not misleading them, so that people will see that we are not misleading them. Okay, so when you share this with some write-ups, maybe you can say get creative with it. You can say ketogenic meal plan, or grab your, let me see. Okay, you can just use this. Okay, put it in front of this. You can say read more here. Okay, and come now, you paste it. If you want to replace this picture, of course, to make it to look you can just put this picture here, so that when someone visits it, it will still rhyme, to still correspond with the, okay, there you go. When someone click here, watch what happens. Boom. So you can, if you are the type of person that shares news online and even via WhatsApp, and this is a very technical way or creative way to make money while you share your informations or news online. Okay, so guys, get creative with this. You can choose any niche and get creative with this. This works. All right, so guys, that is it for this video. Please, if you find this video useful, consider to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video like the one that you just watched, and please share this video. Okay, comment below and tell me what you think about this method, and tell me how it is working for you. Yeah, I read every comment. All right guys, and please guys, check out the useful links below this video. All right, and be sure to visit my website for more information. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.